Hello, my friends. Well, I'm going to do a pour today, but first it's time to take care of a little business and do the drawing for this, what am I calling it? Glacial painting that I did the other day and promised to give away. So I added a couple little penguins there to make a little penguin family to try to create a bit of a focal point on this painting. And I'm going to put it in this frame. It's hard to capture the color. It's a silver. There, that's what it looks like. Silver frame. Looks a little warm in the video here, but I think it completes it. Looks pretty good. So anyway, let's get to the drawing. So I learned how to do this morning. I went to commentpicker.com and put in the URL of my video, filtered duplicate users, and there are 51 commenters. Your chances are pretty good. I only posted it on a couple of Facebook groups, so it wasn't very advertised. And one of those commenters is me, because I responded to some of your nice comments. So now, let's see how this works. I've never done this before, so here we go. Start. Oh, you can see all your names there. Linda Young. It looks like an Alaska scene, except Alaska's mountains are a lot taller and pointed. It's nice, the winters are cold. Okay. Linda Young, you are the winner. Please PM me your address so I can send this off to you. I wonder if you're in Alaska. Anyway, I'm going to pause now. And Linda, my email address, you could email me as well, is always below in the description box, so you could send me your information there, and congratulations. Okay, well that was very fun and very easy. I'll do that again in the future for sure. Okay, today I'm going to be doing a swipe with Artist Loft Ready Mixed Paints, and I have diluted them with a Floetrol and glue mix, which I will detail in the description box below. Here's the finished dried result of a previous pour I did with the same recipe, and I'm really pleased with it. I think it came out really nice. I love the shape of the cells and the lacing, and I just think it's so pretty where the white turned blue after it passed over this blue color and gave this wonderful lacing and nice dimension with darker colors beneath and movement and all. I'm really pleased with it. I've put this up on my website along with about 20 other new pieces. I'd love to have you take a look at chrissypaints.com. It's hard to promote, and I mean, where do you promote it? And it's embarrassing to promote it, but if I want to continue with these videos and stuff, I have to try to sell my stuff. So there you go. I won't say anything else on this video. So my idea today was to do blues with a red as a swipe color. I love the way blue and red just vibrate next to one another, so I thought it would be fun to try that. I'm just using a small 9x12 canvas, and I'm just using Phthalo Blue, and then I mixed Phthalo Blue with white, two different amounts of white to get two lighter shades of it. And then I took bright blue, that's that one, and then I took bright blue and added black to come up with a dark shade for contrast. So those are my colors, and then the red was just the bright red. Now this one I have added a couple drops of silicone. I have about 2 ounces of the paint and mix, and I've added 2 drops of silicone, stirring in well. So here we go. I'm going to lay the colors out in, maybe kind of wavy motions just to get some movement in it right off the bat. And I will be tilting as well. course, it's completely random because once I swipe it, it'll be all over the place. This is the only one I'm a little worried about. It's so dark, but because the base color was the brilliant blue, I think it should work okay. And I like the contrast. Whoa. This is the blue that I think will be really pretty with the red, if it works. And this one. I thought about adding some white to the mix as one of these colors, but I didn't want to end up with pink, and so that's why I decided to make up some very light blue. Okay, now I'm going to tilt it around a bit to fill in the gaps and leave a nice smooth coat to swipe across. This is why it doesn't really matter how you lay it down, how orderly, because it's going to change dramatically when you move it around. Okay, I'm not terribly concerned about the sides because if I like this, if I keep it, I'll put it in a shadow box frame probably, and I don't need to worry about the sides. So, okay, let's get to swiping. Wipe my hands off. Yeah, I'm going to give it yet some more stirring because I don't want that silicone floating on top. I want to get tiny, I want to get small little cells. I'll stretch them a bit to make them larger, but I like them on the small side. Okay, I'm just going to pour in the middle and swipe from either direction, but then I will tilt. I wonder if that's enough. I'd add a little more. Okay, here we go. Got this piece of plastic that I found works pretty well with this, and looks like I make good contact. Okay, yep. I'm getting a little purple cast here and there. There's no avoiding that. I think I have plenty of red there. Use use the clean side. I don't want to get any, I just want a clean side. Oh, I missed one little section. But that's okay. I'll be tilting that area off. And I want to, as always, break up the line in the center. So I got to move it around. But I'm very happy with the cells. Bring you up now for a closer look. What's happening there? I like it with the dark blue behind the red. Okay, let's go down here and fix that one section that didn't swipe well. I'm going to run it right off. Okay. A little bare spot up in this corner. Trying to send the paint to my right side and now down, so I kind of get a swoop of red. Really get rid of that straight line, and there we go. I like it. I think I like it in that orientation, that horizontal. You know, rather than bring you down for close-up, I'll bring it up. Save a little time. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Pretty much did just what I wanted it to do. I wanted a bright red and the blue showing through. This is my favorite area right here. Okay, well, that was fun. Thanks for watching. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. See you next time, folks. Bye-bye.